Question number 1. Among the following, which is the largest bay in the world? A. Bay of Bengal. B. Hudson Bay. C. Bay of Biscay. D. Santa Cruz Bay. Correct answer is option A, Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is the world's largest bay, covering an area of about 2,173,000 square kilometers. It's located in the northeastern part of the Indian Ocean, between the Indian subcontinent and the Indochinese Peninsula. The Bay of Bengal is bordered by Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Burma, and many large rivers, including the Ganges and Brahmaputra, empty into it. Question number 2. Which country is the world's largest producer, consumer, and exporter of turmeric? A. Russia. B. Brazil. C. China. D. India. Correct answer is D. India. India is the world's largest producer, consumer, and exporter of turmeric. Production: India produces around 80% of the world's turmeric, with China, Myanmar, Nigeria, and Bangladesh following. In 2020-23, India produced over 75% of the world's turmeric. Consumption: India consumes 80% of the world's turmeric. Exportation: India exports 70% of world's turmeric. Question number 3. What is the rank of India in Sustainable Development Index 2024? A. 88th. B. 109th. C. 112th. D. 121st. Correct answer is option B, 109th. India's rank in the 2024 Sustainable Development Report is 109th out of 166 countries. India's rank in the 2023 Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) Index is 112 out of 166 countries. This is an improvement from 2022, when India was ranked 121st. The United Nations (UN) publishes the Sustainable Development Report (SDR) annually to review progress on the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Question number 4. Which Indian state has made it mandatory for tourist vehicles to carry garbage bags? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Kerala. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Indian state of Sikkim has made it mandatory for all tourist vehicles to carry garbage bags upon entering the state, aiming to promote environmental sustainability and responsible tourism. Objective: to encourage proper waste disposal and minimize litter in the state's natural landscapes. Question number 5. Smog is essentially caused by the atmospheric presence of A. Oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. B. Oxygen and nitrogen. C. Ozone and nitrogen. D. Oxygen and ozone. Correct answer is option A, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Smog is caused by the presence of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the atmosphere. Smog is a mixture of smoke plus fog caused by the burning of large amounts of coal, vehicular emission, and industrial fumes, primary pollutants. Smog contains soot particulates like smoke, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and other components. Question number 6. Who among the following was known during the days of the revolt of 1857 as Danka Shah? A. Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah. B. Tansha Tope. C. Shah Mal. D. Nana Sahib. Correct answer is option A. Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah. Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah was known as Danka Shah, the revolt of 1857. He was given this nickname because he travelled from village to village in a palanquin, with drumbeaters in front and followers behind him, to encourage people to rebel against the British. Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah was also known as the Lighthouse of Rebellion. He was a leading figure in the 1857 unrest and was born in 1787 to Nawab Muhammad Ali Khan of Chinpatan, Madras. Question number 7. Which country has been elected as the President of the International Solar Alliance, ISA, until 2026? A. France. B. India. C. Brazil. D. Israel. Correct answer is option B. India. India and France have been elected President and Co-President of the International Solar Alliance for the 2-year term from 2024 to 2026. Launched by India and France in 2015 at the UN Paris Climate Conference, the ISA Framework Agreement came into force in 2017. ISA focuses on financing solar projects, technology collaboration, capacity building, and energy transition. Question number 8. Which one of the following newspapers was published to oppose the views of Raja Ram Mohan Roy? A. Calcutta General. B. Samachar Darpan. C. Samachar Chandrika. D. Som Prakash. Correct answer is option C. Samachar Chandrika. Samachar Chandrika was published to oppose the views of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The Hindu Orthodoxy commissioned Samachar Chandrika to counter the ideas of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The first issue of Samachar Chandrika was published on 5th March 1822. Question number 9. Naga Protocol is related to which of the following subjects? A. Biosafety. B. Ozone layer. C. Greenhouse gas. D. Genetic resources. Correct answer is option D. Genetic resources. The Naga Protocol is a global agreement that relates to the fair and equitable sharing of benefits from genetic resources. Purpose: the protocol's goal is to contribute to the conservation of biological diversity and the sustainable use of its components. It is a supplementary agreement to the 1992 Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD. The protocol was adopted on 29 October 2010. Question number 10. The amount of energy during transfer from one trophic level to another in an ecosystem. A. May increase or decrease. B. Remains constant. C. Increase. D. Decrease. Correct answer is option D. Decrease. The amount of energy transferred from a lower trophic level plant to a higher trophic level always decreases as energy is lost at each step. Only 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to the next. This is known as the 10% rule or Lindemann's law of trophic efficiency. Direction of energy flow. Energy flows in a unidirectional direction, while nutrients flow in a cyclic direction.